percentages of grade 7. So really, what's a percentage? When it comes to percentages, percentages are related with out of 100. We are writing out of 100 when it comes to percentages. So anyway, then you just imagine that you taken 92% for maths. Then this is a way of writing by your maths teacher, right? 92%. Then this can be written as, that 92% means you taken marks for maths, then out of 100, 92 out of 100. You imagine you have taken marks for science, that's 78. This just let's assume that. Then this can be written as 78 over 100. This means every time when it comes to percentages, when you write a percentage, then it's written in the denominator. You need to write 100 every time that is done. So think of this one. Then how do you write this one as a percentage? Then 40 over 100. This means then a percentage can be written as a fraction, which means a percentage can be written as a fraction. Here is a percentage, here is a percentage, here is a fraction. So this means percentage, a percentage can be written as a fraction. On the other hand, are you able to write a given decimal as a percentage? This 0.25 should be written as a percentage. How can you write this 0.25 as a percentage? This can be done 25 over 100. This means 25 over 100. So, decimals you are able to write as fractions. I mean, we written this 0.25 as a fraction, which means then 25 over 100. This means 25 over 100 means 25%. So here is a decimal number, fraction, and also a percentage. So this means then a decimal number, a fraction, and a percentage, then which means then a decimal number can be written as a fraction again can be written as a decimal. A decimal number can be written as a fraction. I mean, then afterwards this fraction can be written as a percentage. The relation. So think of this one. 0.45. Let's write this as a fraction. So 45 over 100. So this can be written as a percentage. This means 45%. Okay. Then how do you write this one? Then in order to write a given decimal number, a given decimal number can be written as a percentage. A given decimal number can be written as a percentage. How can we do that? Then you think of this one. This needs to be written as a percentage. So first of all, you need to write this one as 4 over 10. Then previously then this cannot be written as a percentage. I mean, at once the reason in the denominator you could see here 10. But how do we do this? This can be converted. We could write this one as then both sides are multiplied by 10 here, so that we can get 100. Then 4 into 10, 40, 10 times 10, 100. So now we are able to write this as a percentage, 40%. So how do we write this one as a percentage? 0.2. 0.2 also can be written as a percentage. To be done it, first we write this one as 2 over 10. Now again we are able to write this in the denominator. Then both sides multiplied by 10. This side by 10, this side by 10. Then 2 into 10, 20, 10 times and 100. This means 20%. Which means you are able to write a given decimal number also as a percentage. So don't follow all these steps. Now this can be, how can you write this one as a percentage? To be done is, you are able to multiply by 100%. Okay, this means here is a very easy method. Previously taught method also can be applied in order to write a given decimal number as a percentage. Now multiplied by 100. When you multiply 0.7 by 10, this becomes 7. Previously I taught you this one. Really, you could watch that video. Therefore, I'm not going to teach you this one again and again. So when it is multiplied, this decimal point comes on the right side, then this becomes 7. This 0 is written here. So the answer is 70%. How can you write this one as a percentage, 0.6 as a percentage multiplied by 100%. This means 0.6 times 100 means 60%. Okay, so any number can be written as a percentage when you multiply by 100. So anyway, now this is the relation. So, this one, and this one. So here is a decimal number. This has given. You need to fill the blank. This means 0.25 means 25%. The other blank, here blank. Then 25 over 100 means 25%. Okay, this is a basic idea of percentages. If you want to learn more facts of percentages and of when it comes to your grade, more lessons in detail, you can join our online classes. Okay, I will mention my WhatsApp number, and you could send me a message mentioning your school and your grade. Afterwards, you are able to join my online classes. And also, anyway, I will be doing more videos in terms of your benefit in the near future as well. If you are a newcomer to my YouTube channel, you could subscribe the channel as well. Okay, thanks a lot.